What are you doing, Toot?
You're right.
You scootering. Belle. Belle. Good morning. It is almost 8 o'clock on Wednesday the 29th of June. Gosh, 29th of June. We've had breakfast. Benedict's dressed. Me and Isaac aren't yet. I'm just having my hot chocolate. And then I'm going to go and get started. I've got lots to do today. Get dressed. I need to clean my Tassimo because when I just made my hot chocolate, I'll spout it out the front. Isaac doesn't like this program. Yeah, so it's all spurted out the front and it made a mess. I need to clean my machine, I need to clean my kitchen, empty the dishwasher, do washing. I want to clean the bathroom today as well. This is all dependent on pain. I'm a bit sore. Got lots to do. And then this afternoon, Benedict has an appointment for having his hearing checked, which is at the hospital. So Isaac's going to go to my mum's and we're going to go to the hospital. We have to leave really early because parking is a nightmare. So I'll probably have to leave like an hour and a half before his appointment, even though it's only about 25 miles away, which is fun. So Benedict likes this program. And there's Belle with 3 legs. My 3-legged dog. She still has the cone on because she got her stitches out on Monday and she has a little like an open bit, so she's on antibiotics and she's got to keep the cone on till next Monday, but she's fine. She just has 3 legs. Weird, really weird, but she's managing fine. So yeah, I will take you along today for my tidying, etc.
Mom.
Yeah? Hi, baby. What's that? The Go-Getters. I know you don't, Tutti. Yeah, see, healing check. He's fine. Okay. It's 10 o'clock and I've done nothing. In fact, I just had a lie down. The children came in and out while I had a lie down. I didn't actually sleep, but it helped a bit. So, and then Isaac told me I had to get dressed because it was morning time. So I am now dressed. We'll just have a snack. And this will probably not interest most of you, but if you're a mummy or an autism mummy in particular, you will understand the joy of this. Isaac is wearing pants. Isaac doesn't wear pants. Pants are not for him. He is not toilet trained at home at all. He is at nursery, but he's wearing pants. I'm not going to make any sudden movements. I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to just keep my mouth shut. But it's so exciting. But I'm going to go and put washing in and empty my dishwasher because I need to do some things before we have to go out. Otherwise, I'm not going to get anything done today at all. There's nobody there. A car just drove past. This is what they do. Belle's worse now, she's come out. So, I have just sorted my washing out and now I'm going to empty my dishwasher and give the kitchen a once over. As you can see, it looks like a bomb sitting here. plates out for you and Ben?
What? Oh, you want some toast, Mommy?
I'm going to have a toasty, so if you could get a plate out for Mummy and a plate for you and Ben.
Mommy, what are you going to have on you toast?
Cheese and ham.
Oh, no, that's the my dinner cream.
What one's Ben having?
My king cream, I have a dusted Whopper.
Okay.
Hi, Belle. Be careful, Belle. The big salt. Hey, Mom.
Vanilla? So you're having dusty crop hopper. What?
No, the big plate.
Just a little plate, please.
Oh, only those ones.
Those ones?
Yeah. I put all my dust in it.
No, you can share. You have half and half.
Okay, one. Go.
Hi guys, it is 1:20. We are on our way to the hospital. I think I already said I was taking Benedict for an appointment to have his hearing checked, but that's why we're going. I have dropped Isaac at my mum and dad's, which he was very excited about. Well, I had some lunch first, and now, yeah, we're just on our way to the hospital. I think Benedict has fallen asleep. I really hope he has. That's the only thing with the big rear-facing chairs. The baby mirrors that you get that you can attach to your headrest thing in the back, so you can see the reflection, they don't work because the rear-facing seat that he's in is too tall, so you wouldn't be able to see the mirror. So I do have a baby cam. If you've watched my holiday vlog from last year, you'll have seen it, but I don't set it up when we're just going into town. It's a faff for a really short journey. Just made a little sigh, like a sleepy sigh. Yeah, so we're going, it's 1:20. His appointment isn't until 2:30. So I think we could be like really early, but getting parked can be a bit of a nightmare, especially at this time of day. So I'd rather be there really early. And we want to have a look because they've done some stuff to the hospitals, to the outside space, so we'll wait to have a look at that. I'm also thinking I might nip into Home Bargains. I didn't bring a bag. I've got one in the boot. Yeah, I think I might nip to Home Bargains. I've been putting together the teacher's gifts, and I bought some body butter from the Body Shop. So I have one of those for each of them, but I want some other things to go with it. I like to buy little things that are quite cheap, like the body butters. I got them for, oh, how much were they? £4.50 each, which is a bargain as they're normally £14 each. So yeah, I like to buy little things that are pretty cheap and then make something to go in it as well. So I have 6 that I have to do. So I'd like to get them done today or tomorrow at the latest, because they have to go on Friday because that's his last day. So yeah, I think I might go to Home Bargains and get some gift bags and some other little pieces to put in. Maybe like a bath sponge or something, like the puff things. That might be nice with body butter. Yeah, I think I will do that. So I'm just meandering my way into the hospital now. It's 3:50. We are on our way home. Benedict's hearing test went perfectly. He can hear fine. They just test for the frequencies and levels that normal conversation is at. So, and they determine if the child can hear, but can tell the direction sound is coming from. And he passed fine. He sort of gave up, but luckily they'd already tested everything, so that was fine. Yeah, so his hearing is totally perfect, so that is checked off. So we then went to B&M stores, which I was a little disappointed because I needed to get gift bags and they didn't have any at all that didn't say happy birthday, and I needed them for the teacher gifts and I can't put them in happy birthday bags. So I didn't get any gift bags. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I might have to go to Tesco, which is no fun. Might go tomorrow. Get everything ready tonight and go tomorrow. I did get some stuff. In fact, I'll show you it when I get home what I got. I got a bunch of stuff, some things for the teacher bags and a bunch of stuff. So I thought that the place that I was going to, the B&M stores, I thought there was a Poundland next door, which I guess is like the American Dollar Tree or Dollar Spot or whatever, and there wasn't. It's closed down apparently. I don't know if they've all closed down or just that one, but it's totally closed down, so couldn't go there. I also thought there was a Home Bargains, which is like the equivalent of another like Dollar Spot type place, and no, there wasn't, so couldn't go there. I might actually go to Home Bargains in Inverurie tomorrow, which is like a town that's not that far away from us. It's better to go to, because if I go to the Home Bargains in town, it's right beside the big toy shop and the children are obsessed, so they would want to go to the toy shop. But the one in Inverurie is not. It's beside the pet shop. I just don't want to go all that way and not get gift bags and spend a fortune on stuff I don't need. I'll have a think about it and see what I've got in my stuff at home and work out what needs to go in it, and ask my mum, she might have gift bags. So yeah, we're just on our way home now. We stopped there and we're on our way home. There's a car behind me that is way too close and I don't like it. Yeah, well, we're not going to go home, we're going to go to my mum's, so where Isaac is, and see if he's had a nice afternoon and then go home. I think I would quite like a nap. Yeah, but no, that's us. We are going to my mama's. It's 10 past 7, boys are in bed, and I'm going to show you what I got from B&M stores. So, I got this set of 4 glass jars and these 2. So I'm going to give these 2 to Isaac's taxi driver and escort, and these ones to the teachers. I'm going to split that up, obviously. I got myself this travel cup for hot drinks for my hot chocolate. Love the sweeties there. Drifters, Coffee Poppet, and cookies are really cheap, so I got them. I got some Paw Patrol toothbrushes for Ben. He loves toothbrushes. A toothbrush for me and my husband to go on holiday, and some toothpaste. I got this little dish. I think I'm going to put it in the front hall. I just really liked it. That was nice. I got this. These are to take on our holiday, but to put them in the car, so like they're new toys, so that the kids haven't seen them before. This is for Benedict. He loves these magnetic drawing things, so it's a mini one. And these 2 are for Isaac. So there's ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. He's not great with a pen yet. It's one of the things that OT's working on, but I thought he might like these. And he can do them in the car when we're traveling, or in the hotel when we get there. So hubby is cooking dinner. I'm getting over my bad mood because a warning light came on in my car and we're going on holiday in a week. Which is a pain in the ass. So yeah, Greg is emptying the dishwasher.
I'm a hugger. And big boys wear pants.
Him and Isaac have been dancing down the hall, making up the song Big Boys Wear Pants, because Isaac managed in his pants all day, didn't have any accidents, and I think this might actually happen again.
I did the same today. I wore big boy pants all day and then I'm an accident. This is why she doesn't let me talk in these things.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, I'm gonna start putting together the teacher gifts. I would have been putting them into gift bags that my husband was collecting from his shop and bringing home. Where could they be?
They're still on my desk along with some paperwork I needed to copy today, so. So we're both losers here.
I'm not a loser. You forgot them, not me.
Yeah, but
I'm going to get all the stuff ready so that it's ready to go when he brings them home tomorrow. And if he doesn't bring them home tomorrow, I'm going to cut off his hand.
that'd be fine.
That was the warning I gave him.
Who's going to take it back to you then? I'm going to get a slap.